Baked chicken wings. It's a delicious and a great meal option for your family at home. We start off with our chicken. Did you know that there is an ongoing debate on whether to wash or not to wash raw chicken? CDC, or Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, issued an emphatic reminder on social media as to not rinse the chicken because washing can spread germs. Although some culinary experts still believe that chicken should be rinsed before cooking. I don't know what your standpoint on this age-old debate that has been dividing the culinary community for decades, but I still personally prefer to wash my raw chicken. As cautious and careful as I can, I wear gloves and add 2 tablespoons of rock salt and sprinkle lemon juice on the raw chicken. I mix it, making sure that it's soaked well, and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. When I'm done soaking it, I carefully rinse it for at least 3 times, and then I pat it dry and set it aside. While the chicken is drying, let's prepare and mix our seasoning. In a bowl, add the following: 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of dry parsley, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1½ teaspoon of baking powder. Mix, and you may now start coating the chicken with the seasoning. Baking the chicken is a healthy cooking method because, unlike frying, which boosts up the meat's fat content, baking requires little or no added oil, making it healthier. All you need are your seasoning, some marinating time, and our handy-dandy oven, and we can already serve a healthy meal for the family. On my first few occasions of baking this, my husband's comment was, the chicken was quite dry, and so I tried adding 1 tablespoon of oil and sprinkled some lemon. Not only the texture improved, but as well as the flavor. You may keep it in your fridge for an hour before baking for a better flavor. But if you're short with time, you may already go ahead and start baking your chicken. Place an aluminum foil onto your baking dish and place your rack. Line up the chicken wings with some space in between. The total baking time for our baked chicken wings is 45 minutes. You will divide the total cooking time into 3 parts. Before I go, let me just give you a friendly reminder to wash your hands properly after handling chicken or any meat products. Clean and wash the surface of your work area with soap and warm water and spray with disinfectant. I used a separate cloth for wiping the kitchen sink and counter where I work, and a separate kitchen towel to wipe my hands dry. When I'm all done with my prep, I toss these into the washing machine for a spin. I hope you find these reminders helpful. Thank you for watching our video today. I hope to see you again. Until next time, bye!